Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install zram on Manjaro Linux and find out how it will boost your computer, especially if you have 4 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. For this demonstration I will use my laptop with KDE Plasma desktop environment. Let's get started. zram creates a compressed swap area directly inside your physical hardware random access memory, instead of moving inactive data pages from your uncompressed main RAM to a slow hard drive or SSD when memory fills up. The Linux kernel compresses that data and stores it right in this zram block. This significantly increases your effective memory capacity and prevents performance slowdowns caused by heavy disk swapping. Best of all, this green zram block grows only when it holds data, so it doesn't waste your memory when it is empty. How does zram help boost your computer? It saves your time. As you can see here, instead of letting your system engage in slow traditional swapping between your RAM and storage drive, the central processing unit uses fast compression to pack that data away right inside a dedicated zram block. Because compressing memory is so quick, it works much faster than saving data to even the speediest storage drive. Stops freezes. Low memory crashes happen less often when apps run out of physical RAM. zram extends your drive's lifespan. Solid-state drives have a limited number of write cycles before they degrade. Because zram catches and compresses swap data directly in your system memory, it acts as a protective shield, drastically reducing the volume of temporary data ever written to your physical drive. Less disk writing means less hardware wear and tear, keeping your SSD healthy for years longer. The first thing we need to do is to install zram. On Manjaro Linux, zram package is called zram-generator. The command for this action is sudo pacman -s zram-generator. Let's enter the password. Proceed with installation. Yes. Okay, we have successfully installed zram-generator. After installing zram-generator, create the file zram-generator.conf located at the directory with the following command: sudo nano /etc/systemd/zram-generator.conf. Type zram0 inside the square brackets. This is enough to get a zram device called zram0 created with the default options. To save the file, press Ctrl+O and press Enter. To exit, press Ctrl+X. The generator reads the config at boot or systemd reload. Once a configuration has been defined, run command sudo systemctl -reload. The same will work if you just type command reboot. This will start your configured zram instance and matching the numerical instance ID. In the example, it is systemd-zram-setup doc symbol zram0.service. And as we can see, zram works. It will use compressed space dynamically as memory fills up. To ensure the zram service is running, you have to type command sudo systemctl status and type your zram instance. In this case it is zram0. As we can see, the service is successfully running. To make sure that everything is working as we wanted, you can check the swap status by using zram-ctl command or by using swap on command. This is how to install zram on Manjaro Linux. I hope this information was helpful. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye.